Welcome back everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will show you how to delete browsing data in the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile phone. If your browser feels slow or you want more privacy, first, open the Google Chrome beta browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the three dots icon at the top right. From this menu, find and tap on Settings to continue. Inside Settings, scroll down and select Privacy and Security. After that, tap on Delete Browsing Data. You will now see different types of data such as browsing history, cookies, and cached files. Next, check the boxes for the data you want to delete. Choose the time range, such as last hour, last day, or all time, depending on your preference. Finally, tap on Delete Data to confirm. Chrome Beta will clear the selected browsing data from your mobile device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.